Hi, I'm Rodney Yee. Today, let's learn how to use a strap in restorative poses where the legs are straight and parallel. Take a strap, make a small loop out of the strap, putting it through the buckles and in through the middle, being very clear when you're teaching. Then sit in staff pose. Place the strap around the legs at the middle of your thighs, between the knee and the hip joint. Tighten the strap with the legs parallel, firmly against the thighs. Buckle is placed right in the middle of the legs so the buckle doesn't irritate the skin of the legs. Lying back, continue to press the legs into the strap so the strap contains the legs from external rotation. Lying down in final relaxation pose. Once again, press the legs into the strap. Move the heels slightly away from each other. Release all action of the legs. You will feel the containment that the strap creates. That containment allows for deeper relaxation. The legs and the strap also are contained into a neutral position. Coming out is just as important as getting into the pose. On your exhalation, bend the legs and place the feet on the ground. Drawing your knees towards your chest, slip the strap off. Place the feet back on the ground, hands to the belly. Settle. When you feel that momentary release, then roll to your side. Utilize your arms to sit up. Sit well. By using the strap around the legs, all of the tendons and the ligaments of the legs don't have to hold up the structure of the weight. Therefore, the body says, oh, now I can let go more deeply. I'm safe. I'm contained. It's a frame for the picture. Thank you.